Welcome back to another exciting case of the Ratchet Files. Today we're diving into an unusual event that's got everyone talking. Picture this. You're shopping in Lululemon, enjoying the calm atmosphere, when suddenly it turns into an unexpected dance floor. A.
Oh, you stupid. I did not know they had male Lululemon. Oh, what the fuck? We keep this fuck up. Yeah. What?
Group of energetic Atlanta strippers burst into spontaneous twerking, right there among the racks of yoga pants and sports bras. To top it all off, the catchy tune of Whim Whammy blares through the speakers. It's a scene straight out of a viral video. Customers stand around, caught between bemusement and disbelief. Some pull out their phones to capture the moment, while others exchange puzzled glances. In this new generation, where anything goes seems to be the motto, such surprising spectacles aren't entirely unheard of. So what's the big deal? Has the line between public space and personal expression become blurred? Are such spontaneous displays a breath of fresh air or a step too far? We want to hear from you. What do you think about this unexpected twist on your average shopping day? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to give us a like if you enjoyed this breakdown of one of today's most absurd viral moments. Stay tuned for more from the Ratchet Files, where we delve into the zaniest happenings around the globe.